Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Deathless, the Hero Quest game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. So it is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and finally select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, first you need to switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then click on network and click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. For that, first highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option. Now here, if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Deathless, the Hero Quest game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Deathless, the Hero Quest, and after that see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Now here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, check whether the problem is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to check PS5 overheating. For that, make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, open settings first, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. If not, then it's suggested to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available and finally select update using internet option. Next solution is to reinstall Deathless, the Hero Quest game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Deathless, the Hero Quest again to check for the error. If the issue still occurs, then it's time to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game and then check if the issue is resolved from the support team. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.